Hey boys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're trying to get some of Brandon's beans harvested because he's not on and I finished my bean harvest, so I'm trying to help my friends catch up on their stuff. Yeah, so we just pretty much letting that AI worker do the job. It gets full really fast, so it's keeping me busy, let's just say that. Well, boys, while I'm waiting for that combine to fill up, I'm gonna knock out some of Jackson's beans over here. This is his last bean field, I'm pretty sure, but it's still been knocked out for him. Almost full. Back up and working on these headlands. Boys, I think I'm gonna cut another headland pass here, so maybe get some trucks in here eventually. Almost full. We're gonna have to go run over and get Jackson's grain cart or semi eventually. Oh shoot. Oh. Do I not have crop destruction on? What the heck? No, I do. Huh. Interesting. Well, we gotta unload Brandon's combine, so let's see if I can catch him. Otherwise, I gotta get him going back. Well, we're gonna unload that. Empty yet? There we go. I'm in your way? Nah. You're in my way. Hold you. Hold you. Hold you. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Why can't this thing back up any faster? Well, boys, this is Jackson's tractor. We're gonna take it over the field, unload the combine. It's just across the road here. Across the road right here. Good. Go ahead and start the combine. Then we'll dump this thing out and get back to combine. Alright, this thing's empty. Spin around right here. Go back harvesting that way. Back to combining. We're gonna go start heading back and forth over here. Well, boys, we're gonna go dump the grain cart over Brandon's bins. Past his sheep. Loaded grain bins and empty. Combine is right over there. Wait for him at the end. Yeah, so I would be combining right now, but I finished all my beans and my friends both still have beans left, so I'll help them out. Brandon still has a whole nother field of beans after this one yet, so knock this one out for him. I have a good amount of corn and tillage to do, but oh well. Well, boys, it filled up before it got to the end. Brand really needs to get a bigger tank on this combine. It's ridiculous. It's always full. Always. How's the yield on this one? Well, about the same as last year, it looks like, so far. Should have cleared his yield monitor before starting this field, but well. As you can see up at field 1, we finished that up. That all done. Then over at 37 is where Jackson, we have Jackson, this combine at. Oh, that thing's empty. Get it back going. Well, guys, I found the little orange thing. Oh, nice. Well, anyways, guys, thank y'all for watching. I will see y'all in the next one.